What if the biggest outsourcing challenges, communication, quality, and time zones, were actually the greatest competitive advantages? Many civil engineering firms see these as unavoidable risks, but that perspective is costing them growth and efficiency. Think about it. What would it mean if a remote team could operate as a 24/7 design engine, delivering high-quality verified work while you sleep? This is not just a theory. It starts by dissecting the communication pitfalls that create delays and shows how AXA Engineers has built a system for seamless real-time collaboration that makes an outsourced team feel like it is in the next room. What do you think? Could your firm turn these challenges into advantages? Share your thoughts in the comments below. So, how can these universal challenges be transformed? The answer is not a simple trick. It is a fundamental shift in philosophy. It begins with the most fragile part of any partnership, the people. What if a remote team could be built so stable that knowledge loss becomes a complete non-issue? The common narrative is that outsourcing means high turnover and a revolving door of engineers. Think about the hidden costs of constantly retraining new people, the lost project knowledge, and the momentum that grinds to a halt every few months. This is often the single biggest drain on an outsourced project's success. AXA Engineers challenged that assumption entirely. The company asked a different question. What if engineers could truly thrive, not just perform tasks? This shift in focus led to a 97% employee retention rate, a figure that seems almost unattainable in the outsourcing industry. The secret lies in what AXA Engineers calls the happy business model, built upon three pillars known as the three treasures: wise leadership, cohesive teams, and effective systems. This operational blueprint allows AXA Engineers to build stable expert teams that grow with client projects, not away from them. Clients gain experts who understand firm standards, project history, and unique goals. Now, let's talk about daily work. Once that stable team is in place, how can engineers thousands of miles away feel like they are sitting in the next room? AXA Engineers does not leave connection to chance, it systematizes it. Specific daily protocols like mandatory video check-ins ensure alignment and build personal rapport. Shared platforms such as the Autodesk Construction Cloud provide total real-time transparency into every drawing and every update. To eliminate confusion, a dedicated project manager serves as the single consistent point of contact. This creates a seamless loop of communication, not a frustrating chain of delays and misunderstandings. With a stable and connected team, the next great challenge is ensuring quality. Most firms approach quality control with checklists at the end of a work phase, which is a reactive measure. AXA Engineers takes a different path, designing a process that eliminates the possibility of error from the very beginning. Every single deliverable is first checked by the engineer who created it, then reviewed by a peer, and finally given a holistic review by a manager. This rigorous three-step human verification happens before technology, like automated clash detection software, even touches the design. It is a system of proactive prevention, not reactive correction. Finally, there is the time zone difference. It is almost universally seen as the ultimate obstacle to seamless outsourcing. But AXA Engineers reframed it as the key to unlocking a true 24/7 workflow and dramatically increasing productivity. Through a proprietary dual-shift model, the company ensures continuity. While a US-based team sleeps, the first shift of engineers advances the project, completing design work and running analyses. By the time the US team starts the day, progress is ready and waiting. Then, as the day continues, a second shift, specifically trained on US standards, comes online for direct real-time collaboration. This effectively turns one workday into two, enabling project turnarounds up to 40% faster. The biggest outsourcing headaches, communication, quality, and time zones, are not problems to avoid. They are direct invitations to build a more resilient, efficient, and strategic business. Have you ever wondered what your firm could achieve when powered by a true 24/7 design engine where progress never stops? Think about what that continuous momentum means for your most ambitious goals. Share your thoughts in the comments. What is your experience with turning outsourcing challenges into wins?